Hi, I'm Marcia Smart from Smart in the Kitchen. Today I'm in the Beef It's What's for Dinner Culinary Center, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips and tricks for how to cook beef at home. Cooking ground beef, which is something home cooks do all the time. Preheat your pan. You don't want to take ground beef and put it in a cold pan. It's not going to get a nice sear and it's going to stick to your pan. Add a little bit of oil. This is called a bench scraper. It's actually a pastry tool, but it is awesome for getting ingredients in a pan. Salt as you go. If you salt correctly, you're punching up the flavor of whatever you're cooking. You're not making it taste salty. We're gonna add a little bit of pepper. I have my favorite tool for cooking beef close by, and it's a potato masher. Break everything up in your pan. It ends up giving you those small little kernels of ground beef that are so delicious. Best trick in the book. The last thing I tell people is you always have to taste what you make before you serve it. Taste it. Think about if it needs more salt, more pepper. One of the questions I get a lot from my cooking class students is what percentage of meat to buy. I like to tell people to look for a good mid-range option, and 85% is a good all-purpose ground beef to use for meatloaf, meatballs, and general recipes that call for ground beef. If you want a leaner ground beef, it's okay. Get a 95%, a 93%. Don't stress. The recipe's still gonna work. It's gonna be delicious. If you're looking for more beef tips and tricks for cooking beef at home, head to beefitswhatsfordinner.com.